Handling packages in R. We are going to discuss how to install package, how to load them, and other features related to packages in R. So what are packages? Packages are the collection of R functions or compiled codes in a well-defined formats. A location where all the packages are stored is called a library. Currently, there are more than 15,000 and 1,500 packages available on CRAN, that is the Comprehensive R Archive Network. How to install packages in R? So let's discuss how to install package, a single package or a multiple packages. So there are two types, and though there are two ways to install package. First, you can do it through command, and secondly using the graphic interface. So let's go to R and let's see how to install them. So whenever we are writing a code for installing package, the code is install.packages, and within brackets and inverted commas, you are going to write the package name. For example, I want to install the package called dplyr. It is a package that is used for data manipulation. If I execute this command, so you can see a red button here. It shows that the command is loading as of now. So as you can see, it is loading the package, and you need a good internet speed for that. You can also use your mobile data for the same. The other way you can install this package is there is a tab here, package. You can click that and there is an option install. A window will open up and you can write the package name here. So it is dplyr. So you can see there are multiple options coming here, and we want the first one, so we can select it and install. For now, I have already installed it through my command, so I am not installing it again. Whenever we are going to install a package, we do not have to install it again. In every session, whenever you are starting to write a code, you will have to load that code. You have to load that package in that session. So let's see how to load a package. Before that, let's install multiple packages. How can we install multiple packages? The command that I am using for that is install.packages. Inside bracket, I am giving a combination, like I have already installed dplyr, so I am removing it from here, and I want to install plotly and reader. So I'm going to execute it. So you can see the packages are installing in the background. Similarly, you could have also installed it through the GUI using RStudio in packages, clicking on install and one by one installing both of the packages. Now let's see how can we load a package whenever we are starting a new session. So to use the codes or functions that are built in that package, we have to load that into our session. It means before using it, we should have those package functions in our system. So once installed, you do not have to install it again. You just have to write a command library dplyr, or whatever your package name is, you can write it inside the brackets. So library is the command to load the package. Let's run this command. So what it is saying is the following objects are masked from the package base. So these are the within the package there are multiple functions, multiple objects which are loaded into our session right now. You can also load multiple packages at one time. For example, what I have done is I have created a vector here with name my packages. Within the bracket, I have combined name of three of the packages, that is dplyr, ggplot and lubridate. So what I want is in my session, I want to use functions from these packages. So I am loading these packages in my session. So I have created a vector. Now using library function within the brackets, I have given the name of my vector which is having different packages in that. So let's run this command. So what you see is we have created a vector here, and if you run this command, so when you want to install multiple packages once, so there is a package called pacman. So you can install it through packages here. Type the name of the package like pacman and install. I already have this package in my system, so I am not installing it. After that, what you can do is you can write the name of the package here, pacman. What does do here is it will take the function from this package, that is pload. That is, we want to load these packages from the package pacman, and within the bracket you can write the name of the packages that you want to load in that session. So let's run this command. So what we have done is we have loaded the packages dplyr, tidYR and lubricate. Now if you want to check what all packages are loaded in your session, what is the command for that? It is search and bracket. So you can see in my current session the packages that are loaded, that are lubricate, data.table, tidyverse, deployer, RStudio. These are the base packages, and the packages that I wanted were deployer, tidyverse and lubricate, which are already loaded with this command. Next is how to detach a package. If you do not want to load that package further, like you're changing your commands, you're changing your analysis, what the command is, you can type detach, and within bracket in inverse commas you can type the name of the package and unload equal to true. So what you are doing is you are unloading this package from your current session. So I am executing this command. So when you want to detach a package from your session, like if you do not want any further function from that, so the command is detach. We are detaching the package and unloading it. So the command is detach. Within the bracket, package name is dplyr, that is the package that we want to detach, and unload equal to true. So let's run this command. So how do you know that the package is not in our session now? So there is the command that I told you, that is search. So it shows the current packages in our session. So we do not find dplyr here. Also what we can do to attach or detach the packages, go to packages. There is list of all the packages that are already installed in your system. So you can search the package here, like in search I'll write dplyr, and you can see there is a checkbox here. So if I take that package, so you can see it is loaded in my session now directly. And if you want to detach it, what you can do is just remove the tick mark and it will be detached. Similarly, you can do it for multiple packages in one go. Like if I want this package, this package, this package, so I can tick them together and it will be loaded in my session. Similarly, I can detach them. You can see the command itself, it is running in the system. So next is how to remove the installed package. So you have installed the package, there is some error or it is not running. So what you can do is you can type the command remove.packages and within the bracket and inverted commas the name of the package. So what it will do is it will remove the package from the library installed in your system. It will be removed from the package area also. If you want to check this, I can run this command and you can see it is showing removing package from my library, the folder where all the library is stored, and you can check the list here. dplyr has been removed from the list. Next step is updating the existing installed packages. So whenever you want to install the existing package, the command is update.packages. What it will do is it will automatically update all the installed packages in your system. And if you want only specific packages to be updated, so the command for that is update.package. Within the brackets, you can mention old package, old pkgs, that is packages, equal to within the concatenation formula, I have given name of the two packages that I want to update. So you can run this command and only dplyr and lubricate will be updated. Rest all will not be updated.